You've downloaded that free trial app and forgot to cancel before the paid subscription kicked in. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your money back and cancel that subscription. From your Apple purchase receipt email, you're going to select the Visit Apple Support. From there, you'll select Request a Refund. Next, report a problem. After it's authenticated, you'll log in and select Request a Refund. And I didn't intend to renew a subscription. Once you click the Next button, you'll be taken to an area where you can select the app that you want refunded and click Submit. And within 48 hours, you should receive your refund.